Let's smoke some chicken wings. Alright guys, we're going to preheat the smoker to 200 degrees and we're going to take chicken wings. These are together. You might find these already separated if you're buying them in the supermarket. If not, we're going to cut off the tip. There's really not much meat on that, so we're going to discard that. And then we're going to separate the drummet from the flat, or the winglet is what it's called. So just take some kitchen shears or poultry shears and separate these just right at the joint, and do it for all of the chicken wings. Once you're done, we're going to season these with salt and pepper. Make sure to season them on both sides. And we're going to put these on the smoker and smoke them for about 30 minutes to give them a nice smoke flavor. After 30 minutes, kick that temperature up to 425. We want to get the skin nice and crispy. About 5 minutes before they're finished, you can baste on some hot wing sauce or leave them naked. I've done a little bit of both here. And also, if you really want some wing sauce flavor, dip them in after cooking. Enjoy.